Hello everyone,
and welcome again for this new episode of Bienvenue to Ciência.
Today we'll talk about a worldwide problem.
Aging.
As you might all know, aging is a natural process which affects every human being, making it a big deal for humanity.
Indeed, a lot of people think that aging sucks.
But what's the exact cause of aging?
And is there a miraculous cure against aging?
Let's discover that together.
When people think about aging, they mainly think about the several physical cues: hearing loss, presbyopia, wrinkles, frailty, atherosclerosis, memory decline, and brain diseases like Alzheimer or Parkinson. But what people tend to forget is that aging doesn't just appear like that. Indeed, our body is composed of trillions of cells which age and die under programmed processes. DNA methylation. DNA is composed of two pairs of base, AT and GC. Methylation is simply the addition of a chemical component called a methyl group onto one base. This process is well known because it helps regulating gene expression by expressing or silencing genes. Yet the methylation rate changes over time, with less methylation in the whole genome and more methylation in the specific regions promoting the genes that end up mainly in silencing the genes. Shortening of telomeres. DNA is organized in chromosomes composed of the centromere, the arms, and the telomeres. As time goes by, the telomeres are reduced in size, leading to a decreased protection of the chromosome contents.
Cleopatra bathed in the milk of asses. The 16th century Hungarian Countess of Athori smothered herself in the blood of virgins. Ponce de Leon's tireless quest for the fountain of youth is known to all, and after all this time it's still controversial. Ancient Greece introduced us to the philosopher's stone, an elixir of life useful for rejuvenation and even for achieving immortality, or worse. Okay, so what's the verdict? Can you tell if it's truth or myth? In the past few years, developing drugs and techniques have become very successful in reversing the signs of aging. The widely known Botox, for example, is nothing but a neurotoxin produced by a bacteria and injected below the skin to even out wrinkles, although it is fairly common for people to develop allergic reactions to it, which are not pleasing to the eye. But can it be considered an aging cure? But maybe the Countess of Bathory was not that wrong about the fountain of youth being in the blood, and no need to do something as trivial as bathing in it, or consuming it like a vampire.
This bloody story begins in the late 50s when Cliff Mackay tried an experiment by linking a young and an old mice by the circulatory system, a surgery called heterochronic parabiosis. Long story short, the young blood was healing the old mice's cartilage. The same kind of study has followed, proving the benefits of young blood on heart, bone, muscle, brain, etc. Even young human blood has been shown to have a good effect on old mice. The only problem was that the young mice involved in the parabiosis have been shown to age prematurely.
For now, the growth differentiation factor 11 has been identified as being one of the blood circulating rejuvenating factors, which opens the way to immortality maybe. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Like it, favorite, share it.
See
See
ya!
ya!
When you are old and